How to send link in Monopoly Go. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is just simply launch your Monopoly Go application. If you don't have that yet, you just have to go to your Google Play Store, type Monopoly Go, and then click install. Wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, and then click play. Now, this is what it looks like. In order for you to share a link here, in your Monopoly Go application, all you have to do is to simply go to the friends icon or button here. It's on the right bottom corner. You just have to tap friends. And once you click friends, you will see their options like connects, Facebook, and invite. Tap this green button here that says invite. And then this is what it looks like. You just have to click X. Okay, skip this one. And then tap yellow that says invite. Okay. So when you tap this one here, you can see options on or social media accounts here in where you can send this link. So you just have to choose any of this: Instagram, Google Drive, Gmail, Discord, and we have here Viber, WeChat, and others. And that's how easy it is to send link in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.